If you have a law firm, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your small business law firm. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding booking, appointments, law review and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming, hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. Not only that, you can also add your customer detail on Google Sheet as well. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your small business law firm using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here, I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply which welcomed me to the Pabbly Legal Assist, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: legal checklist, book appointment and service packages. Let's click on service packages for now. As soon as I have selected the service packages, they have mentioned their packages with pricing, and with that they have provided me 2 action button: menu and talk to support. Let's click on the menu option. As soon as I have clicked on the menu option, I got initial message again. This time let's select book appointment. As soon as I have selected book appointment, I got a message in which they want to know about the date. After date, they want to know about the time slot. As soon as they got every single detail, they have sent me a confirmation message in which they tell me that my appointment is successfully booked, and they will send me a confirmation message shortly with date, time and meeting link. And with that, they have provided me 2 action button: menu and talk to support. Let's click on talk to support. As soon as I have clicked on talk to support button, they have delivered me a message in which they mention that their team will get back to me shortly with their working hours and their response time. Not only that, my details are automatically filled to their Google Sheet as well, with my name, phone number, date and time slot. So as you can see, the chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better. Not only that, my data is automatically filled to Google Sheet. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for law firm, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your small business law firm. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow: start keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chart. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text button, connect with my flow start, and enter my welcome message like this, which says, "Hi there, welcome to Pabbly Legal Assist. I'm your virtual legal assistant here to help you with business law, contract review, registration, and more. Let's get started. Please choose what you like help with." And with that, I'm going to provide few action button as an option. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text legal checklist. For my next action button, I'm going to enter book appointment. And for my third action button, I'm going to enter service packages. Now, for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with legal checklist. To give checklist about legal documents, I will drag and drop text button, connect with my action button, which is legal checklist, and I'm going to enter my message where I have mentioned that whatever an entrepreneur need, and with that I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and talk to support. Now I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message and I'm going to give a separate message for talk to support. For that I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned that our team will get back to you and our expected time is 1 hour. Our working hour is Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now let's move to our second action button, which is book appointment. To book appointment for my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, connect with my action button and enter my message. Let's book your appointment, choose date. I'm going to select my contact custom field as date and I'm going to select my format as any. Now, after knowing about date, I want to know about the time slot they want to book. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Choose time slot. I'm going to select my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. Now, after knowing about time slot, I want to fill my customer detail on the Google Sheet. For that, I'm going to connect API request with my question and paste my webbook URL. To get webbook URL, you need to open all Pabbly app page and over here you need to select Pabbly Connect. After selecting Pabbly Connect, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, to create a new workflow, you need to click on create workflow and enter your desired name. As we are making this chatbot for law firm, I will name it accordingly and select the create button. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you can see there are 2 steps, trigger and action. As soon as trigger is selected, action will be performed. Now, I'm going to choose trigger app. As we are working with Pabbly Chat Flow, I will choose my trigger app as Pabbly Chat Flow. After that, I'm going to select my trigger event as new message received. As soon as I have selected my trigger event, my webbook URL is created. I'm just going to copy this webbook URL and after that, I'm going to paste it over here. Now I'm going to select my API request as post and enter my key which I want to fill on my Google Sheet like this: name, mobile number, date, time slot, and with that I have also selected my contact custom field accordingly. Now I'm going to click on test and save my API request. As you can see, I got a message that API request successful. That means there is no error. Now as we are done with our trigger, let's move to our action. For action as well, I'm going to choose my app. As I want to fill my detail on Google Sheet, I will select Google Sheet as my chosen app. And after that, I'm going to select my action event as new row. And now I'm going to connect. Over here, you have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. I'm going to add new connection. For that I need to sign in with Google. As you can see, my connection is successfully made. I'm going to select my spreadsheet in which I want to fill my data. As I want to fill my data on booking appointment for law firm, I will select that. And after that I'm going to name every single detail like name, mobile number, date and time slot. Mapping will help to automatically fill your data to your Google Sheet without any manual effort as soon as your customer enter it on the WhatsApp. Now after that I'm going to save and send test request. This will save the value you fill above and will send data to the selected app for processing. A response will be received back once the process is completed. As you can see, I got the response. Now as our API request is successfully made, I will send a confirmation message to my customer. For that I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message in which I have mentioned that thank you for booking with Pabbly Legals. You will receive a confirmation message shortly with date, time and meeting link, and we are looking forward to assist you, Team Pabbly Legal. And with that I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. Now let's move to our last action button, which is service packages. Over here I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message in which I will mention all the packages with pricing like this. And with that I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. Again I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the desired information that is needed to run a chatbot for small business law firm. Not only that, I have filled my data automatically to Google Sheet using API request. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.